Hello everybody, my name is Aakriti and I have made this salad. I have used 5 fruits that are oranges, black grape, beetroot, kiwi and pomegranate. I have used oranges, one big one and one small one to make its face and to make its body. Then I have also used some few slices of oranges to make its body. Then I have used kiwi, beetroot and black grape to make its feather. 4, 3, 2, 1 and I have also sprinkled some pomegranate over here. I have also used broccoli and black grape to shape it as like a tree. Now also sprinkle some lemon water to add it a taste. If we eat 100 gram of this salad, we will get 65.8 calories per 100 gram. Let's bifurcate it. Beetroot. It is rich in fiber and vitamin B9, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium and iron. It has 43 calories per 100 gram. Kiwi, which is very rich in vitamin C and fiber, it also improves our immunity and has 61 calories per 100 gram. Next is black grapes. It is very rich in vitamin C and vitamin K, which has 95 calories per 100 gram. Now pomegranate, which is very rich in antioxidants, which helps to prevent our damaged cells. It also has rich in iron, sodium, potassium. It has 83 calories per 100 grams. And lastly, orange. It has 47 calories per 100 grams, which is very rich in vitamin C. Thank you.